Scientists across the nation are stunned into silence as day after day cats worldwide drop dead for no apparent reason. Veterinarians have no insight into what could be causing this massive devastation to the cat community. Celebrity vet Dr. Kitty saying, "We don't quite know what's going on." Cat owners are encouraged to keep their cats indoors and to closely monitor their eating behaviors, as well as to make sure that all their cats are caught up on their shots. Now to other news. The cat population is still at a rapid decline, and now other animals are starting to become sick as well. Should animal lovers be worried? Tune in tonight at 6 o'clock as we interview the top vets in the country. With almost all the world's animals near extinction, it seems this new disease needs a new victim. Young children spanning from infancy to age 8 are falling ill due to this new virus-like illness. And we interrupt your regular scheduled programming with urgent news. What scientists are now calling an epidemic is sweeping the nation, a plague called penicerin, or curiosity. This disease affects people of all ages, and it is reported that it can be fatal. Symptoms include the ability to focus, drive, new questions with sometimes unattainable answers, motivation, progress, intelligence, inventiveness, and in extreme cases, scientific or technological breakthroughs. The general population should be warned that there is no way to prevent or cure this disease. Few patients found their early-stage symptoms eased by search engines and books. If you believe you have contracted this disease,